Okay. All right. So last example. It says there are 3 ways to receive a score in basketball. Can someone else read?
There are 3 ways to score in a basketball game. 3-point field goals, 2-point field goals, and 1-point free throws. In 1994, suppose that high school players scored 36 2-point field goals and 28 free throws. In 2006, suppose a high schooler scored 7 3-point field goals, 21 2-point field goals, and 18 free throws. Using matrix multiplication, how many points did each player score?
Perfect. You should read all of our problems. All right. So first thing we're going to do is identify what information was given to us. So we have a 1994, and they scored some
28 free throws.
So the first thing it told us that there's 3 ways to score, right? You could have a 3-pointer. I didn't mean to write 1994 right there. You can have a 2-pointer, or you can have a 1-point. In 1994, what did they have?
They had 36 2-point field goals. Why is it called a field goal?
I don't know. Just go with it. It's
and
basketball.
Free throws and no other things.
All right. And then what happened in 2006?
2006, they had 7 3-points, 21 2-points, and 18 free throws. At least they got better.
They're 2 different people.
Oh. I knew that.
If you were still in high school from 94 to 2006, that's questionable. That's real questionable. All right. And so we're creating a matrix to multiply all of this. So my first matrix is going to be how big?
It's going to be a 3 by 3. 2 by 2. 2 by 3.
We're just going to keep yelling numbers. So we have 0, 36, 28. We have 7, 21, and 18. What are the dimensions of my second matrix have to be?
A 3 by 2.
A what?
3 by 2.
A 3 by 1.
Oh, we did that. We literally said that right. No.
If this is a 2 by 3, in order for it to be multiplied, the other matrix has to be a 3 by something, right? So what you're thinking about and what to fill in the matrix is, what does the first column of this matrix represent?
Nothing. It represents the 3-point.
3-pointer. So my first element here is the, what does the second column represent?
It's going to be the 2-point.
And then
the 1 point.
And then the 1 point. So that is what I'm multiplying. So it creates a 3 by 1. So when we multiply, because there's an extra column, that just means there's an extra thing that's being multiplied, right? So we have 0 times 3.
It's 0.
Then we have 36 times 2.
It's going to be 72. Yeah, that's
72. Then we have 28 times 1.
It's 28.
All right. I have now multiplied every element in this row to every element in this column, correct?
Yep.
So I'm done. Now I'm going to do the bottom. 7 times 3 is?
21.
21 times 2 is?
63.
42 is what she meant to say.
Yeah. Oh, I was multiplying it by 3.
And then 18 times 1.
18.
Oh, 18.
You don't even know what you're doing.
No, you messed me up. Oh,
So what? So what are their final scores?
Enough. 100.
100 for egg and 81 for white.
We got 81.
Yeah.
Are we in agreement with Max?
Yep.
All right. So we know that in 1994, this player scored 100 points this season.
I lied. They did not get better. They got worse.
In 2006, this player only scored
81 points.
81 points.
Shoot.
Remember how they say free throws win games?
Did you ever play basketball?
But this was in a single basketball.
No, I was athletic. It was over their season.
Oh, damn.
Oh, was it? Oh, no, it's a single basketball game. What?
What? 20. They suck. Why are you batting that much?
100 points in single game. That's meaningless.
28 fouls.
This is not a single game.
No, it's not.
It's their season, right?
Player
This has to be the season.
3 ways to score in a basketball game.
Yeah, but I'm saying this can't be their one game.
One high school player. And it says in 2006. That would be like a year, you know?
That has nothing to do with nothing. We're talking about the scoring. It has to be their season, right?
Yeah.
This is their season. They suck.
It's a horrible season, I guess. Or maybe it was a couple games. I don't know. There's no way this is a single game.
I was questioning it too much. Let's get to
All right.
That's
But
one person.
it's from one person, but during one game?
No, from a season.
Is that a lot? Isn't that, is that a lot for a season?
That's
High school player.
yeah, I see that. How much people under average.
That's like a bench.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like kind of under average.
They're okay.
100 points in a season.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not a lot, right? So there's so many games. That's not a lot.
Split up the way it's
All right, guys.
You can